Take a look at your office computer case. Will it become sluggish, loose, or even deformed after a short period of use? Frequent replacements not only waste money but also affect work efficiency. Our computer cases are made of high-quality materials and are well-built, specially designed for high-intensity office environments. The simple design enhances the style of the office. They offer good value for money and are suitable for bulk purchases. They also support customization, meeting your unique needs. A durable computer case lets you say goodbye to repeated troubles and saves you both time and money.